At the age of 81, he remains deeply involved in business, personally overseeing operations and growth across companies, expanding manufacturing footprint. That being said, Icon of Manufacturing 2026, and we are truly honored to present the award to none other than Mr. Farrokh N Cooper, Chairman and Managing Director of Cooper Corporation. I'm going to request all of you to please come together with a standing ovation as we present Icon of Manufacturing 2026 to Mr. Farrokh N Cooper. I'm going to be requesting all of you to take your seats.
Good evening, everybody. First and foremost, let me thank you for the honor with this prestigious award. It doesn't matter what your qualifications may be or what technologies has been implemented. As a leader of your company, you have to look into the future and see what others don't see and lead the way. By the way, I'm an agriculture graduate, like my erstwhile father. I don't know how you found me, because I neither stay in Mumbai or Pune, nor do I like to be in the limelight in the twilight of my life. All of you are success stories here, so it does not look good on my part to tell you what success I have achieved in my life. Rather than go into technologies and technicalities, as one of the fundamentals of my life, I believe in Shakespeare's saying, there is a tide in the affairs of men which, taken at the flood, leaves on to fortune. Omitted, all the voyage of their life is bound in shallows and in miseries. On such a full sea are we now afloat. We must take the current when it serves, or lose our ventures. Well, time and time again, this has been one of the key features of my success, whether here or abroad. I've opened doors where none were open before, and they have opened new horizons which take me far and wide. In industry, it is the norm to retire at 75, because it is presumed that a person becomes senile after that. I am neither senile nor old. At the age of 80, I opened a tractor factory, and just a few months ago, some friends of mine came from Europe and America and said, here is some money, please open another factory for us. It's about 400 crores. Work on the foundation is already on. Being a bit of a miser, I don't borrow from the bank, and ours is the debt-free company, so the bankers are always friendly to me. I started a foundry when others were closing their foundries. In those days, professionals were saying, foundries are like a coal mine. Well, those who kept their foundries are no longer coal mines, but gold mines. In my life, I have progressed from manufacturing engine components to engines and now tractors. I'm the third generation of Coopers in Satara. I've always been an avid reader of Economic Times, and it is the quality and presentation is second to none. Once again, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to be with you. Thank you, and this speech is not written by AI.